Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your OnePlus Nord 5. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side of your phone. So as you guys can see, whenever I try to change it right here, I'll click those three dots. I do not have the call volume here, so it's only available when you're in a call. As you guys can see, let me show you in these settings. Let's click three dots, go to settings, and here you guys also cannot change the call volume. So try and change that while being in a call and see if it helps. Sometimes you just forget about it, it happens. And if it didn't help, then what you guys can try to do is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected device to your device. So what I mean by that is we need to go over to settings, and here, as you guys can see, I'm in Bluetooth already, but here we have the Bluetooth, and we need to make sure that it's either disabled or that when it's enabled, that no device is connected. It may route audio through, let's say, your headphones while you do not wear them. So that might also cause some issues, so remember to disable it for the time of testing. And now what you guys can do next is try and clean the earpiece with a soft brush, because any dirt, debris or lint that is here can block the audio and it can cause a lot of issues, and the only fix to that is basically to clean it. So now after you clean the earpiece, what you guys can do is test your device with another call or another call on a different app. So let's say you called from your phone app, you can go over and let's say select WhatsApp and see if that changes anything, to see if the problem is app specific or it's for your phone. So now if that didn't help you, you guys can try and restart your phone to refresh the entire system and get rid of the minor glitches. So hold the power button for a couple of seconds. Now here, let's scroll up to restart, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once it's ready to use. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is try and to reset your device if the problem still persists. So go over to settings, and in here you need to scroll all the way down until you guys see system and update. Now here we need to select backup and reset, and here click reset phone. Now we won't erase all data, we will only erase reset network and Bluetooth settings. So now let's draw our lock screen pattern. Here click reset, basically we'll reset the network, and that's what we care about. We will have to re-enter all of our Wi-Fi passwords, the Bluetooth. And now let's click reset. As you guys can see, my Wi-Fi bar disappeared, but now the no sound during calls should be fixed. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.